Car maintenance and care maintenance performed by the vehicle owner. In addition to the planned routine maintenance, technical maintenance, and periodic monitoring operation of the car and its individual components, the owner of the car should be regularly carried out simple technical check and inspection of your car. Taking into account the tips below, you can independently carry out a number of technical actions, control over your car. Daily control and inspection, operation of all lights, sound signal, signals turn, windshield wiper, glass washer, AV reel stop. Serviceability of seatbelts and brakes, checking for leaks of all operating fluids on drips under the car. Weekly inspection and inspection. Engine oil level, coolant level, fluid level in the brake system reservoir. Fluid level in the power steering system. Fluid level in the windshield washer reservoir. Tire pressure and condition. Operation of the car air conditioner. Special conditions. If your car is within operated for a long time under special conditions, such as a polluted atmosphere, at very high juice, or conversely, very low temperature, then it needs more attention from you. We recommend that you consult with us on this issue. Deal with experts at the service center. Advise. 1. If you drive a car at high speeds, then check the engine oil level more often. 2. In case of an unexpected noticeable drop in level operating fluids or uneven tire abrasion, you must urgently contact service center.